So hi everyone, let us talk about the house numerology number 3. And before I tell you if it is a good number or not, let me first get into the details of the attributes that are associated with this number. Firstly, number 3 is associated with the planet Jupiter. And when you look into Jupiter in detail, Jupiter is the planet of basically your guru, your teacher, your mentor or your guide. When you understand this, Jupiter planet also talks about expansions, incomes and all of those bits. So when you talk about all of this, what basically happens is that in Jupiter, one thing that you have to know is that these people either living in this house with a numerology number adding up to 3 or 3, or if their own date of births are 3 and they're resonating with the number 3, these people are very good in terms of getting education, because Jupiter is the planet of learnings, education, teachers and good mentors. So these people tend to learn a lot. They know how to get information, they know how to source information, they also know how to take that information and use it for their best. So they're very, very knowledgeable people. But one thing that you have to know is that these people are also good in terms of changing their personality facades. This can be good if there's an actor or anybody in the acting fields who have a house number 3, because when you actually get to know number 3, their actual true personality many people do not know. For example, if you have a school person that this person is associated with, and you have a college person and a colleague that they're working with, each of these three people will have three different iterations of what this person can be as a personality trait, because they don't really show off their actual trueness. They're different to different people and their actually true essence is completely different. I'm not saying whether it's a wrong or a right quality, but actually understanding them on a personal note is very hard to identify who they truly are as a person. So this can be a good way in terms if you're an acting profession and all, and this can also be in a bad way if you're looking at a personal relationship. So most of the times this basically comes into a place where people think that they're either liars or they're frauds, or sometimes they also come into thinking that it's very hard to understand them even after staying with them or being with them or knowing them for so many years. Another thing that number 3 is associated with is creativity, imagination and expressiveness of the both of these aspects. So if you're detailedly looking into kind of expressing yourself creatively, either artistically through painting, sculpturing, anything at all, this is going to give you that freedom, the ability and the expression to go about doing the same. So all the people who are artists there, who are actors or people who have a sense of artistic side, can choose this number to stay in, to showcase and help you increase the energy, and your energy is flowing into this particular number to help you go about actually expressing yourself. On a general note as well, number 3 is considered good and auspicious even without calculating your personalized number based on your date of birth. And if you do get to choose a house number, or if you are staying in a house number 3 or a house number that adds up to 3, this can be considered auspicious.